Hey everyone, it's Blushing Panda, here with another tutorial. Today, we're gonna learn how to draw abs. So let's get our workout on. Our art skills, of course. After doing so much research, I learned that reference is useless. Yep, you heard me. We gotta throw away our artistic brain for science. You'll see what I mean by the end of this video. First, let's look at our meaty friend right here. Let's name him Hector. You see, there's a lot of complex stuff going on there. But we just need the basic muscle groups. Let's start first with the neck. We can shape it into a cylinder with two folds joining. That's what makes this mark. There are two muscles that connected to the neck that makes the majority of the back, which we'll get on later. In between the neck and the pecs is a line of tendon that conjoins to the shoulder, which you can see right here. The shoulder is a circle that is split in the middle, giving us flexibility. To the side, however, it's best to think of the arm as a chain. Proko goes more in depth in this aspect. I highly recommend watching their anatomy series. Well, after watching this video, of course. Going down to the pecs, we have to keep in mind that the muscle underneath the arm moves along the pecs. So if we were to raise our arms, the muscle surrounding the pecs goes up too. Below are the obliques, with the abs in the middle. These gill-like shapes are actually covering the rib cage. Okay, so let's draw out two rectangles. One horizontal on top and vertical one at the bottom. For the top, let's cut two big pieces of the top corners and a small cut on the bottom. Now we got pecs. For the abs, let's add another square inside. Make an arc underneath the pecs and narrow the ends. Now we have a boat? That's one way to remember. For an accurate definition, you want to draw the abs as little rectangles instead of squares. This is where the belly button is located. And we're almost done, folks. Let's add a line here along the final ab set. This gives us the glorious V line. Finally, squish the end of the rectangle so it sits under the V line. Now we got hips that don't lie. Hopefully, if you're wondering, the back is much simpler. Let's use the same process that we used earlier for the neck, shoulder, and arms. So, we are drawing two rectangles for the top and bottom, while the second one is pinched at the end. For the top, add a long badge shape with a line in the middle. This will make up the back of the shoulders and the spine. Then, add two teardrops for the glutes. We all cry for the glutes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more of my content. To achieve drawing rock-hard abs and dynamic poses, I suggest watching my gesture tutorial video. It's the foundation to all artwork. And remember, stay safe, stay cool, stay weird. Bye for now.